to play Iron Man? Then here's how. So let's start with the back of the nut of the low E string. You're going to play with low E with these bend down and up. Either way you like these position with 2 fingers or the thumb. Either way. But I prefer using these 2 fingers. So let's play the low E with bend down and up. And let's play the riffs. So put your first finger on the E string on the 5th fret. Put your ring finger on the A string on the 7th fret. So to get these position, it's like a power riff. So let me repeat again with the same position. Slide to here, the 7th here on the low E string, and the ring finger the 9th fret on the A string. Slide to here, same position. Slide again. Slide to here. Slide back again right here. And forward again. So together. That's how you play the intro. Before I'm out, make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that way you don't miss any of my lessons, my videos, and more. And shout out to this YouTube user for letting me do the lessons. So, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. And letting you all know, Guitarist Is Country. Thank you all for watching.